Ate, go. Happy birthday to you, Ate Gloria. I know your birthday, November 16th. If I didn't send you last time, I'm very sorry, but I think of you. My prayers are with you. This time, I will prepare a card for you. It will arrive before your birthday. I don't know. I don't know how many days. I'm very lazy to write because my hands and my face attack me. Okay? Sorry.
Sabi mo pangalan.
My name is Adora.
Okay.
Okay? I think of you even if not yet your birthday.
Okay.
Bye. Regards to everybody. I love you all.
Ortiz, ito, pasyal ka dito. Sige. Happy birthday na lang, ha?
Si Kuya Tony.
Wala, nasa, kumuha ng nail.
Hindi.
Oo.
Sayang.
Oo.
Sige, tatawag uli ako mamaya.
O, yan na lang, ha?
Naku, na-record na tayo. Naku, nagsisismisan pa tayo.
Sinabi mo.
Sige,
Sige,
bye-bye.
okay, bye-bye.
Hello, happy birthday, happy birthday. It's your birthday. Have a wonderful day. Regards to everybody. Bye. This is baby.
Hi, this message is for my dear cousin in the Philippines, Goya. Hi, Lollipop. Goya, si Selly to. Siguro iniisip mo kung sino to, ha? Si Selly to. Kamusta ka na, Goya? Balita ko, meron daw big event this coming Saturday. Alam mo na, alam ko na. Another birthday, another year of memories. So, kailangan mag-celebrate ka. Happy birthday! Okay? Kamusta na si John? Namimiss namin kayo dito eh. Matagal na rin kayo hindi bumabalik eh. Balita naman dyan ha. Si Bubot, kamusta na? Oh, sige ha. Gusto ko lang mag-greet sa iyo bago ko makalimutan. That's a big event. You know, I hope I reach that age too. Alright, happy birthday ulit, ha? Happy birthday. Okay naman kami rito lahat. Nagsusurvive kahit na may mga sakit. Pinipilit naming mabuhay. Sige. Okay, bye-bye.